For being a smaller community, as an 18-year-old kid, didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew I didn't want to go back to school at the time. My dad had worked here for quite a while, and then my mom started working here. The facility's a clean place. The pay at the time was really comparable in a rural setting. All of that stuff combined, it was kind of a no-brainer to be like, yeah, I'm coming here. I was an assembler when I started, and it took me a long time to learn and get that experience. I was also learning as much as I possibly could. Having all of that over a course of 14 years was fantastic because it helped me move into the journey that I'm currently in. That much experience, a lot of times, is something that you don't usually find with support roles. The working community, especially out on the shop floor, I mean, everybody's out there to help you. The people here truly want to see you do your best work on a daily basis. I came in as an 18-year-old kid off the street and didn't know what I wanted to do, and over time have embraced myself in the Rockwell family and have been able to grow exponentially more than I ever thought that I would. As soon as I got my salaried position, I also started to go for my bachelor's degree, which I honestly didn't think that I'd ever do. Coming here and working here may spark something that you don't even know exists until you get that experience. There are so many career opportunities and growth opportunities within Rockwell as a whole. So getting your foot in the door is the first step. And then, you know, the potential is limitless at that point.